Come on, guys, got 5 of the $2 lotterias and 2 of the $5 lotteria grandes. And we got tickets number 122 through 126. And then we got tickets 22 and 23. Let's start off with the $2 lotterias. And our odds on this game is 1 in 4.50. Let's see what we can do on this ticket. We're looking for a fish in the sun. Fish in the sun. Don't see any of those. Next 2 symbols, rooster and cello. There's the cello. And here's the rooster. Next 2 symbols, the barrel and the hand. There's the hand. And there's the barrel. Next 2 symbols, the rose and the pear. There's the rose. And there's the pear. Next 2 symbols, the magician and the tree. There's the tree. We don't have a magician. Next 2 symbols, the boot and the cactus. There's a cactus, no boot. And ladder and pitcher. So the first one is not a winner. That's okay. On to the second one of these. Pear and rooster. And there's a rooster right there. No pear. Next 2 symbols, the hand and the world. Both together. Alright, next 2 symbols, the star and the arrows. There's the arrows. No star. The ladder and the moon. Got the moon. And we got the ladder. Alright, next 2 symbols, the umbrella and the canoe. None of those. Next 2 symbols, the boot and the tree. There's the boot. No tree. We're getting pretty close. And the last 2 symbols, the bell and the watermelon. And this one is a dud as well. On to the next ticket, ticket number 124. We have barrel and mermaid. Barrel and mermaid. There's a mermaid. No barrel. Next 2 symbols, the moon and the boot. There we go, got 2 together. Next 2 symbols, the tree and the cactus. There's the cactus, no tree. Next 2 symbols, the magician and the parrot. Magician, parrot right there. Great. Next 2 symbols, the drum and the ladder. Got the drum here, no ladder. Next 2 symbols, the whirl and the star. There's the whirl, there's the star. And the last 2, the pear and the watermelon. And this one is a dud as well. Alright, next ticket. The boot and the arrows. Got both together. Alright, next 2 symbols, the rooster and the pitcher. Next 2 symbols, the cactus and the watermelon. And there's no cactus. The umbrella and the drum. And there's the umbrella. Yep. Next 2 symbols, the sun and the crown. Nope. The whirl and the cello. Nope. And the last 2, the canoe and the star. And this one's a dud. On to the okay, so we got one more of these, and then we go to the grandes. The parrot and the drum. Here's the parrot, and no drum. Next 2 symbols, the pear and the canoe. And there's no canoe. Next 2 symbols, the sun and the cactus. We got the sun, no cactus. The barrel and the magician. Alright. Next 2 symbols, the whirl and the rose. And there's no rose. The crown and the moon. And the last 2, mermaid and bell. Alright, so we stroked out on those. Let's go to the grandes. See what we can do on these. We're looking for a sun and a cello. Alright, sun and a cello. There's a cello here. And nothing else there. Next two symbols, scorpion and saucepan. Scorpion, saucepan. Don't see any of those. The bird in the tree. Bird in a tree. There's a tree. There's a bird down here. Didn't see it up top. Alright, the melon and the frog. Melon and the frog. There's a melon. But it doesn't look like we see a frog. Next two symbols. The pitcher and the cactus. Pitcher and a cactus. There's a pitcher. But no cactus. Next two symbols. Drum and star. We have a star here. Star and drum here. Nope. And let's see what we got here. Flower pot and bell. There's a bell. Flower pot and bell. Nope. It'd be nice to get that harp. Let's see. And we're going to get the pear instead. So this one right here is a dud as well. And on to the last one of these. Ticket number 23. And stay tuned for part 2. I got another part for this. We got a boot and a tree. Boot and a tree. No boot. Oh, there's a tree right here. Next two symbols. Shrimp and parrot. Shrimp and parrot. Shrimp and parrot. There's a shrimp. Don't see a parrot. Next two symbols. The bird and the harp. There's the harp. Bird and a harp. There's a bird. There's a harp down here. Alright. Next two symbols. The scorpion and the star. We got a star down here. I don't see a scorpion anywhere. Nope. Next two symbols, the rose and the mermaid. And we got a mermaid down here. Got a rose here. And there's no mermaid. Next two symbols, the frog and the umbrella. Frog and the umbrella. And don't see any of those. Next two symbols, the pear and the arrows. Got the pear. Got the pear. And no other arrows. So here's the bonus. The bonus is going to be cello. And looks like this part right here is all a bust. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for part 2.